Another two shaders for creating a star and Starfield shader. First is Starfield. It's very simple. You can create a star sky and it has no setting. Just you can apply it to the sky dome for creating star field, or sky is full of stars. Another shader in a surface is stars. It has a simple stars that you can change them settings: color 1, color 2, background and the star, and streaks, how many of these shapes, inner radius, you can change it, outer radius, oops, it's very high, and density of the stars. Okay, very simple, that's it.